Variable valve timing systems on a lot of these newer vehicles have a lot of different components, cam gears, things like that. And a lot of times they can get clogged either through lack of maintenance or a couple other different reasons. There's actually a scan tool function that you can go through and clean it on some newer vehicles. So let's go through that process on this Jeep right now. Okay, tools plugged in, ignition's on, let's fire it up. The tool's going to automatically ID the vehicle for us. That beep says it's done. Let's go into my scanner. There's my vehicle. Then that's going to be under the engine system, so we'll go in there. And then that'll actually be under miscellaneous functions on the second page. And then this has intake phaser, so we'll go to the intake phaser 1 cleaning process. And it says this function should be used to help clean dirt and debris from the oil control valve. So that's what we want to do. We do have to have the vehicle running, so let's start it up right now. Click continue. It's going to go through the routine. You can hear the idle go up and down. Okay, that one's complete. And we'll go down to number 2. Same thing. Goes through and cleaning is complete. There we go, we're all done. 2 automated tests and it cleaned out both those intake phasers. Pretty simple.